Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a Transporter T5. We've installed the nice KENWOOD DMX9720XDS into this. So you can see it's a nice fitment. We've used nice trim fascia as well from ACV and the wiring loom adapter from ACV as well to give us the CAN information for the stereo to switch on with ignition. These units, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wired and wireless. As you can see here, you've got all the apps you've got for CarPlay. You can actually move these around, that's all done on your phone settings. It's also got a camera input, so you can manually have a rear camera. Here we are, so that's the rear camera connected. This camera also comes on when you put it into reverse, so you can see obstacles behind you. We also have, if I go into there, we've also got a USB that's in the glove box, FM and DAB. It's got other options like HDMI in, which is a really nice feature. You can have your Fire Stick or Apple TV plugged into it, and you can have it all coming up through the screen. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.